A culture can usually be defined by its art and music, and Xinjiang is no different. Here in places like this, Xinjiang's culture continues to develop, and the people living and working here continue to make sure that the old traditions live on.
Omar Ali makes his living creating pottery using a method that stretches back for over 6 generations. The work isn't glamorous or very clean, but it keeps a smile on Ali's face, and customers who walk into his shop never leave disappointed. We got a chance to sit down with him and talk about how he got started in the family business.
刚开始时候不愿意学了这个，因为那个时候我还太小了这个，我爸爸教我的，我也不愿意学。哎，这个工艺啊太脏了，很难了这个，我不想学了。社会发展了嘛，这个以后这个可能是赚不了钱啊，这个，所以我坚持不学。以后慢慢长大了以后开始学了这个。
Making pottery is a delicate process, and as Ali showed me the ins and outs of his trade, he went on to speak on how important his pottery is in maintaining Xinjiang's cultural identity.
因为我跟你说嘛，这个工艺嘛，这个土陶工艺是维吾尔族，我们维吾尔族民族的一种那个工艺嘛，这个全部手工艺。这个工艺嘛，以前是我们那个生活里边需要的那个生活用品嘛，这个。 现在快失传的一种工业，谁也不愿意做，我们也不愿意做。这个工业快失传了，谁也不愿意做，这个丢了咋办？所以我坚持学了这个。
Ali isn't the only one who's holding on to Xinjiang's old traditions. We stopped by a traditional music store in downtown Kashgar, run by Ablimit Isa. Like Ali, Isa is also continuing his family's business and was inspired by his family's past, taking up the trade himself.
我那初中毕业以后开始做民族乐器了，就是我们家是祖传嘛，祖传做民族乐器的。我很小时候，我爷爷、我爸爸做乐器的时候，我看他们怎么做，这样我跑来跑去学会了。
Even though Yessa makes his living making traditional style instruments, he's still open to innovation. Since 2012, Yessa has been working to expand his business and reach more people in the hope of sparking interest in his particular style of music.
现在呢是我们国家正在发展，我们世界也在发展。比方说，我们也必须要发展我们维吾尔族的，做乐器呀，做其他的。
Yissa knows that the world, and China especially, is changing, and he will have to change with it. But he still hopes that as Xinjiang grows, its people will still remember their roots.